Hi, little conductors. Today we're going to read an Elephant and Piggie story. We are going to read Today I Will Fly by Mo Williams. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. Piggie doesn't look too happy. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, fly, fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Piggie's excited. Woof, 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 woof. Who's helping her? Woof, 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 woof. What happened to Piggie? I did it! I flew! Thank you for your help. You did not fly. Did not fly? You jumped! I jumped? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Oops, I think I skipped a page. Fly, fly, fly. Oof! Who's coming to help now? You need help? I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello? You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I'm not flying. You're not flying? I'm getting help. See? The pelican is helping Piggie fly. Thank you for your help. He looks a little surprised. Tomorrow, I will fly. Do you think Elephant will be able to fly? Good luck. The end. And look, Pigeon is trying to help Elephant fly. Hope you enjoyed Elephant and Piggie. Maybe we'll read another tomorrow. Bye, little conductors.